Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take a photo in Smith. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just open the menu and click on this little icon for photo. Now here you have two modes, easy and pro. If you go to pro, you'll able to adjust things like brightness, weather, then saturation and all that kind of stuff. But if you just want to take a photo, then you have this mode for easy. Right here you'll able to see some poses like this, and also along with that you'll able to make some camera adjustments like focal length. You can also increase or decrease aperture. You can also adjust the zoom. Next to that you have the option for pose. Like here you'll able to see several poses and you can easily choose between them. First of all, let me just change the angle. Okay, here I can just scroll through all these available poses, and whichever I like I can just choose that. Then you have this option for lightning. Here you'll able to like change the lighting of your photo, something like this. And next you have this option for filters. Here you'll able to see a couple of filters available, and you can just choose the one which you like. And once you're happy with the pose or photo, you can just click on this little option in order to take the photo. And once you do that, the photo will be captured. You can save this photo on your computer, or you can just upload that to gallery. I want to save this image, so I'll select save, and the image will be saved on my computer. The path is right here, so you can go to this path and you can access the image. So yeah, this is exactly how you can take a photo in Smith. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.